In grade 10 maths literacy, Mr. Dlamini wanted his learners to understand how people spend money. To make the lesson interesting, he told a story about a young woman named Ayanda, who had just started managing her own finances. Every month, Ayanda sat at her small kitchen table with her notebook and calculator. She divided her spending into 3 types of expenditure: fixed, variable, and occasional. This helped her understand where her money went and how she could plan better. First, she looked at her fixed expenses. These were the costs that stayed exactly the same every month. No matter what happened, she had to pay them. Her rent was for $500 every month, her Wi-Fi package was always $399, and her transport pass cost $800 a month. These were predictable and regular. Ayanda liked fixed expenses because she could plan for them in advance, they never surprised her. Next, she checked her variable expenses. These expenses happened regularly, but the amount changed depending on her choices or situation. Every month, she bought groceries, but the total was never the same, sometimes $200, other times $150. Her electricity also changed depending on how much she used. Even her cell phone airtime was different each month. Variable expenses made budgeting trickier because they could increase or decrease, so Ayanda had to be careful. Finally, she reviewed her occasional expenses. These were the costs that did not happen every month. They came only once in a while. Sometimes she needed to buy new school shoes for her younger brother, which happened maybe twice a year. Other times she spent money on gifts for birthdays or special events. Once, her kettle stopped working and she had to buy a new one. That was also an occasional expense.